Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. It's got this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You also get reverse parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got the half leather interior with a red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Car has the top of the range 1.2 litre PureTech engine, gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 13,500 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.